Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can insert a video in Google Slides. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser on your personal computer and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, search for Google Slides in the search bar and give it a go. Then, open the first website from the search results and you will be redirected to this type of web page. Here, tap on the Sign In button and sign in with your Google account. After signing in, all of your recent projects will be displayed on the screen. Simply select the project in which you would like to insert a video and wait for it to load. Once you find the specific slide on which you want the YouTube video, tap on the Insert feature at the top of the page and select Video from the drop-down menu. After that, a dialog box will appear with two sections. Simply make sure that you are in the YouTube section and then paste the link of the target YouTube video. After that, select the video and tap on the Insert button at the bottom right corner. Now, make sure to resize it and place it in a preferred place on the slide. This way, you can easily insert videos into your Google Slides presentations directly from YouTube. So that's basically how you can insert a video in Google Slides. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.